In electrical wiring, the number of wires plays a crucial role in safety and proper functioning. A 3-wire system typically consists of 2 hot wires and a neutral wire, while a 4-wire system includes 2 hot wires, a neutral wire, and a separate ground wire. The primary difference lies in the presence of the dedicated ground wire in the 4-wire system. This ground wire provides a low impedance path for fault currents to return to the source, facilitating the rapid operation of circuit breakers or fuses to clear the fault. In a 3-wire system, the neutral wire serves as both the neutral current carrying conductor and the equipment grounding conductor, which can create potential safety hazards. Firstly, the shared neutral and ground path in a 3-wire system can lead to objectionable neutral current flowing through the grounding system. This can cause voltage drops and create a shock hazard if metal parts of appliances or equipment become energized. Secondly, if the neutral wire becomes disconnected or broken in a 3-wire system, it can cause the voltage and the remaining circuits to fluctuate wildly. This can damage sensitive electronic equipment and pose a fire hazard. Thirdly, a 4-wire system provides a dedicated path for fault currents, minimizing the risk of electrical shock. The ground wire is connected to the metal enclosures of electrical equipment, providing a direct path for fault currents to flow back to the source. This ensures that circuit breakers or fuses trip quickly, isolating the fault and preventing electrical shock. Fourthly, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, recognizes the importance of separate grounding conductors and requires 4-wire systems for most new installations. The NEC provides specific guidelines for grounding and bonding to ensure electrical safety. Fifthly, in a 4-wire system, the neutral wire carries only the unbalanced current between the 2 hot wires. This reduces the load on the neutral wire and minimizes the risk of overheating. The ground wire, on the other hand, carries only fault current and does not carry any normal operating current. Sixthly, the use of a 4-wire system improves the overall reliability of the electrical system. By providing a dedicated path for fault currents, it reduces the risk of nuisance tripping of circuit breakers and ensures that electrical equipment operates safely and efficiently. Seventhly, when upgrading an existing 3-wire system to a 4-wire system, it is important to ensure that all grounding connections are properly made. The ground wire should be connected to a grounding electrode system, such as a ground rod or a metal water pipe, to provide a low impedance path to earth. Eighthly, it is essential to use properly sized conductors for both the neutral and ground wires in a 4-wire system. The conductor size should be determined based on the expected load and the requirements of the NEC. Ninthly, electrical receptacles and equipment designed for 4-wire systems have a dedicated ground pin or terminal. This ensures that the ground wire is properly connected and provides a safe path for fault currents. Tenthly, regular inspection and testing of electrical systems are crucial for identifying and addressing potential safety hazards. Grounding connections should be checked to ensure that they are tight and free from corrosion. In a 3-wire system, the neutral wire carries both the neutral current and any fault current, increasing the risk of voltage drop and overheating. If the neutral wire becomes loose or disconnected, it can create a dangerous situation where metal parts of appliances or equipment become energized. This can lead to electrical shock if someone comes into contact with the energized metal. In contrast, a 4-wire system provides a separate ground wire that is dedicated to carrying fault current. This ground wire is connected to the metal enclosures of electrical equipment, providing a low impedance path for fault currents to flow back to the source. If a fault occurs, the fault current will flow through the ground wire, causing the circuit breaker or fuse to trip and de-energize the circuit. This significantly reduces the risk of electrical shock. The NEC requires the use of 4-wire systems for most new installations, particularly for circuits that serve sensitive electronic equipment or areas where there is a high risk of electrical shock. The NEC provides detailed requirements for grounding and bonding to ensure that electrical systems are installed and maintained safely. When working with electrical systems, it is essential to follow all safety precautions and to consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to take all necessary steps to protect yourself and others from electrical shock and fire hazards. The use of a four-wire system provides an additional layer of safety and protection, making it a preferred choice for modern electrical installations. It is important to understand the differences between three-wire and four-wire systems and to choose the system that is most appropriate for your application. Always prioritize safety when working with electricity and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any doubts. Proper grounding and bonding are essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. The NEC provides comprehensive guidelines for grounding and bonding, and it is important to follow these guidelines carefully. In addition to the safety benefits, four-wire systems can also improve the performance of electrical equipment. By providing a dedicated ground wire, they reduce the risk of electrical noise and interference, which can affect the operation of sensitive electronic devices. Four-wire systems also help to prevent voltage drops and maintain a stable voltage supply, which is important for the proper functioning of electrical equipment. When installing a four-wire system, it is important to use the correct type of wiring and connectors. The ground wire should be properly sized and connected to a grounding electrode system, such as a ground rod or a metal water pipe. All connections should be tight and free from corrosion to ensure a reliable ground path. Regular inspection and maintenance of electrical systems are essential for identifying and addressing potential safety hazards. Grounding connections should be checked to ensure that they are intact and that there is a low impedance path to ground. Circuit breakers and fuses should be tested to ensure that they are functioning properly. If you notice any signs of electrical problems, such as flickering lights, sparking outlets, or burning smells, you should immediately turn off the power to the affected circuit and consult with a qualified electrician. Electrical safety is a serious matter, and it is important to take all necessary precautions to protect yourself and others from electrical hazards. The use of a four-wire system is just one of many steps that can be taken to improve the safety and reliability of electrical systems. By following all applicable codes and standards and by working with qualified professionals, you can ensure that your electrical system is safe and efficient.